guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming on to do the drawing for my giveaway from last week, where I was making these adorable, cute little memory decks boxes. And this was the first one I made, and then here's the second one I made, and I love it as well. And I was going to send you the chipboard that was cut to size for these and so forth. And I've got my package here ready to go out with the little legs and the handle, and my memory decks card with my little bag topper. And if you want to reuse it, as you should, it's easy to peel off, or you can leave it right on this bag and put your own things in it, obviously. Then the little bag that I made of the chipboard pieces and straws and the memory decks template is in here as well. And then the 12 by 6 Maggie Holmes sticker sheet, which is actually 12 by 12 if you want to look at it that way, because it's two-sided. So there's that. And then just an extra little goodie bag that I wanted to include as well, and I'm not going to share those things. And then again, the little paper clip and the tassel is much easier to reuse as well. I had, by my count, right about 22 comments, and that's all you had to do was comment. I've written everyone's name down and put in my little bucket here, and got them all folded up. And I'll leave my email address in the description box below. So if you're the winner, please email me with your address, please, so I can get this, your prize winnings out to you. And I'm going to need a response within a couple days, please, or I'll have to come back and redraw, or hear from you in a couple days and I'll have to come back and redraw is what I'm trying to say. Thank you all for watching the video and subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I truly appreciate that, and I really appreciate all the comments. So I'm looking away. I'm still mixing up here. Okay, I got one, just one. Let's see who this is. This is Michelle Furlan. Michelle Furlan, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name correctly. You are my winner. Congratulations, Michelle, and thank you so much for supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Again, my email is in the description box below for you to send me your mailing address. Cheers!